The tennis authorities may have believed they had closed the case on Jannik Sinner's failed drug tests, but the court of public opinion has served up a very different verdict when the news broke last week confirming Sinner had tested positive for a potentially performance-enhancing anabolic steroid on 2 occasions last March. The shockwaves ripped through tennis like a tsunami, confirmation that the International Tennis Integrity Agency had accepted Sinner's explanation that clostebol, an anabolic agent that can aid muscle growth, had accidentally entered his system via a product one of his team had used to treat a small wound. The decision has been met with criticism in the tennis world and sparked a fierce debate over the verdict and the methods used to get to the ITIA position, with former and current players expressing their surprise at the speed at which the case was heard given the recent history of similar cases leading to long bans and lengthy waits for an appeal. Yet Sinner insisted the quick time frame was because he could explain the origin of the substance found in his body. Every player who gets tested positive has to go through the same process, he said. There is no shortcut, there is no different treatment, they are all the same process. I know sometimes the frustration of other players obviously. But maybe because they got suspended they didn't know exactly where it comes from, also what substance. But the main reason is where it comes from and how it entered in their own system. We knew it straight away and we were aware of what happened. We went straight away and I was suspended for 2-3 days. I couldn't practice and everything, but they accepted it very, very fast, and that's why the ITIA and tennis chiefs were quick to suggest the Sinner case is closed. But the events over the last week have confirmed that standpoint was supremely naive. Announcing details of Sinner's case days before the U.S. Open ensured this story would become the leading talking point ahead of the final Grand Slam of 2024, and there has been a unified bemusement over the contrast between the way this case was handled compared to similar failed tests in recent years.